Okay, so I had to buy a new phone because my old phone got cracked. So I ended up buying the Moto X4. So the reason why I bought this phone is I previously had the Moto X and I enjoyed it. So I was like, okay, I'm going to buy the Moto X4 because I enjoyed the Moto X. So this particular video is not necessarily about the Moto X4. It's more so about it was kind of hard finding a case for a Moto X4. They say it's made out of glass. I don't know if this is really glass, but I wanted to find a case to protect the phone because I don't want, even though I had the other phone since 2014 and nothing really happened to it, eventually the screen got cracked on the old phone, on the Moto X, and I don't want the same thing to happen to this phone. So I ordered a case. It was hard to find one, but I ordered one. And so I'm going to show you the case that I ordered for the Moto X4. Okay, so this is the case I ordered, and I will put the case on the phone to see how it fits. And that's the intent of this video, is to see how the actual case fits the phone. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and please like this video. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, this is the case out of the packaging. It comes with a clip for your waist. So okay, so I separated the front plate from the back plate for the phone. It's two pieces. Okay, so I slipped the front cover onto the front of the phone casing. And now I'm going to slip the back cover onto the phone. Just lining it, make sure it lines up appropriately. There it is. Snapped it in, front and back. The phone, using the buttons, it's along this side. So, I'm not going to put my password in, but it's in there. It seems to fit pretty snug. I'll have to use it a few days to get used to it and give you some feedback. But this is where you would charge. So I'll have to give you some feedback once I've used it for a few days. Like I said, it was very hard to find a case for the Moto X4, but I just picked this one because it had a couple of reviews. So I'll have to use it and give you some feedback to see actually how I like it. But it seems to fit, so that's half the battle.